this tile, and we'll caulk all this baseboard and shit up. We got some tile paper to fix that chimney hole in the roof. Urs is out there fucking pecking that shit off the side of the crib again like he was doing yesterday. I've been scraping that shit off again. That's it. Cleaning all that shit up. So anyway, we got hinges and we got fucking new knobs, but they fucking do not match the old holes. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all that shit back up and fill this shit with wood filler and touch it up with some paint, and this will be done. That's where we at today. All right. So besides what I went on and mortared down to the floor yesterday, all those back there and around the bottom of this vanity, I cut and I pieced in. So I'm gonna pull them back up now and mud them down because I don't have a whole lot of tile. So if I fuck a tile up, then I'm done. So I can't get these tile anymore. So I'm carefully making all the cuts and fitting all these pieces together. And once I get done with all that shit and everything, then fucking I'm just gonna mortar them down right now with some thin set. So that's where I'm at right now. And the pantry's coming along. The yard's getting cleaned up. All the vines are beside the house now. Homeboy's out there tearing some shit up. Eating that shit up off the fucking ground. So that's where we're at now. Getting close to the end of the day. Right, now we're at the end of day 32 of our house renovation. And all the tile is all thin set mortared down to the floor inside the bathroom. So tomorrow I'll come in and I'll pull the spacers out of there and grate all that shit and put the baseboard up in there. That's my baseboard. All this baseboard in here is all caulked and painted. Oh, it's 5 1/4 inch base that was put down yesterday. All the baseboard's done in this room. Urs is still here. Crazy motherfucker, look at that shit. Get on top of his head. Damn. You might get some comments on that shit. They look like we got a Fu Manchu with a skeleton on the back of his head and shit. You look like he could kill somebody. Anyway, he's working with us now. And we get all that fucking baseboard in there, it's done. We thought that we had all the right fucking hinges for in here, but fucking 10 of them were not the right ones. And because they're fucking offset, I had to fucking come back in and notch all that shit behind everything so they could fold in. So I got to paint all that. And nothing is going back where the old holes were, so they were all filled with wood filler. And we got our nickel handles on our pantry. And up there you can see where I'm going to chisel all that shit out. It's all the hinges will fit for those doors. So we got to go back and take those 10 hinges back that we got this morning that don't work. They have the same front profile and they're on the same rack, but they don't have the offset to make them work. So we're going to go ahead and get all of those. If we got to get them in another pack or individual or however, and try to get all these doors back on here, get another coat of paint on this. Also picked up 2 cans of spray paint this morning to paint all the vents and the ceilings so we can take them down. Got all the yard cleaned up pretty much. All this shit. I'm getting another 40-yard dumpster tomorrow. So I'll have a place to take all this shit and put it. All that shit back here, it's getting all cleaned up. Everything, the monkey grass is staying, but all the shit in the middle is going to get cleaned up. Tomorrow the garage is going to get power washed. All that shit up on the growing up on the house, and all the loose paint and everything will be power washed off, so that when it is time for us to come out and start painting the outside of the house and doing the wood rot, it'll be ready. Also, all that shit, all that hay and everything, with the dude had a garden where he was trying to grow stuff in hay. It's all being raked out, and that's going in the trash dumpster. There's stumps and shit up there, and they're gonna come down, cutting all that up. All these fucking tree and stuff that was laying out in the yard is cut, and so is that piece right there. That's cut and straightened up. There's a bunch of other shit that's growing in between the garage and the fence. We're gonna take all that landscaping timbers and shit. Just basically everything's gonna be cleaned up out here. All these little trees and everything that's growing in between the garage and the fence, all that stuff's coming out, and it's all going in a trash dumpster. Who knows what's in there? Snakes and all kinds of creepy crawly shit. That's the dude with the tattoos on his head. He don't care about none of that shit. He'll get in there. He don't give a fuck. He don't care about snakes or nothing. He'll bite them. He bite the snake. The snake got to worry about him biting them before he gonna worry about them biting him. It's crazy. Anyway, all this shit right here is getting all cleaned up. And all the vines are getting tore off of that bitch, and all the rest of the shit that's laying up inside there is getting all cleaned up. So if you like this video, subscribe to Get Go TV. Stay tuned for tomorrow, day 33 of our house renovation. And hit the little notification bell so that you know when I upload another video. And leave a comment if you got a question. Also, you can ask a question in email, peninsulamp@gmail.com. That's in the description of the channel. So have a good day. Stay tuned for day 33 tomorrow, where we will be finishing the grouting the floor, the pantry, and cleaning some more of this shit up out here. And the last thing that's going in the trash dumpster will be this driveway. All that shit's going to get broke up with sledgehammers and thrown in the trash can. So subscribe to Get Go TV. Hit the little notification bell. Leave a comment. Hit the like button if you like it. And watch day 33 that we will upload tomorrow. And have a good day.